And developing right now, if you're still cleaning up after this weekend snowstorm, you are not alone. Down tree limbs, litter yards, streets and parks all over the place. Now another snowstorm is setting its sights on some of us. First Alert meteorologist Dave Aguilar tracking that for us tonight. Details in just a minute. First though, Kelly Worthman joins us from Wheat Ridge. And Kelly, it has certainly been a really busy day.
Well, Karen, just take a look at this pile of branches here. It's actually one of two massive piles here in Wheat Ridge where people have been dropping off all of their broken limbs throughout the day and even over the weekend. There's a bit of a problem here, though. Some people have been bringing items other than branches that aren't allowed. That includes like old paint and some housing materials. This city and others here in the metro area want everyone to please follow the rules because all of us really have a big mess to clean up. A noisy start to the week as lawn and tree care crews haul away debris from the late spring storm.
I checked the roof this morning and nothing fell on the roof, so that's the part that I'm happy about.
Peter Wurzberger was out of town when the heavy snow snapped some of his trees, leaving a mess in his back and front yards.
I also called the city and they said they were like super busy and swamped. They tried to get somebody out here to get the stuff off the road.
Others around the metro area opted to cut, chop, and crank out the work themselves, like 11-year-old Antonio with his brother and dad in Wheat Ridge.
We just kind of cut them down and then we dragged them into our front yard.
They joined many others in bringing broken tree limbs to this drop-off site.
We still probably have another 3 or 4 loads to go.
Their family was among the thousands who lost power for more than 40 hours.
A big limb landed on our telephone pole. Saw sparks, explosion, everything.
Despite the loss of electricity, this family made the most of it.
But it was kind of an adventure because, you know, we kind of got our camping gear out and had some fun with the camping lights and the camp stove.
An adventure for some, a nuisance for others. But no matter which way you slice it, this is just part of life in Colorado.
If this is what frustrates me in life, I'm in a really bad situation. No, it is what it is.
All right, and it is what it is depending upon where you live. When it comes to debris pickup or drop-off, again, it depends on your city and county. For instance, the city of Arvada is having a drop-off site like this coming weekend. Littleton actually has one going on right now and these next 3 days. And if you live in Denver and have some broken tree branches, some of them, depending upon the size, can be put right in your trash can. We've got a list of drop-off locations and all the rules over at cbsdenver.com. Reporting live in Wheat Ridge, I'm Kelly Worthman, covering Colorado First.
Kelly, so much to clean up. Thanks very much. XL